In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable spell check on Notion in just a few simple clicks. If you're someone who writes a lot in Notion, especially with technical terms, brand names, or custom wording, those red underlines can get really distracting. The good news is, you can turn spell check off directly inside Notion without installing anything extra. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Notion tips and productivity guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion on your desktop or in your browser and go to the page where you want to disable spell check. This can be any existing page or even a brand new one. Once your page is open, make sure you click anywhere inside the content area so your cursor is active and ready for typing. If you're using Notion with multiple pages, you can also click on your main workspace or a page titled something like My Notion Page. The important part is that you're inside an editable text area. Now, look for the Add icon or simply start typing on the page. You don't need to open any settings menu yet. Notion only shows the spell check option after it detects a spelling error. So to trigger this, type a word incorrectly on purpose. For example, you can type something simple like hello instead of hello. As soon as you do this, you should see the word underlined, indicating that spell check is active. Next, right-click directly on the misspelled word. This will open a small context menu with several options related to spelling. In that menu, you'll see an option that says Disable Spell Check. Go ahead and click on that option. Once you do this, Notion will immediately turn off spell check for your editor. You'll notice that the red underline disappears, and from this point forward, Notion will stop flagging spelling errors while you type. This setting is especially useful if you're writing code snippets, using abbreviations, or working in multiple languages. Keep in mind that this setting applies to your current editing environment, so if you refresh or switch devices, you may need to repeat these steps. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to disable spell check on Notion in just a few seconds. If this video saved you time or helped clean up your writing experience, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.